Question. P.S. What is the units digit of 2 to the power of 19 times 3 to the power of 21 times 5 to the power of 15 times 7 to the power of 7? Solution. Units digit. The units digit is the last digit in a whole number or the digit before the decimal point in a number with a decimal. For example, the units digit of 12,345 is 5, and the units digit of 67.89 is 7. Now, when we take the power of a number, the units digit will remain the same or will repeat after every second or fourth power. Thus, we can directly find the units digit of a power of any number when we know that the units digit of the base number reoccurs periodically after every fourth power or second power. We will look at the digits that repeat after every fourth power. In these examples, the units digit has a cycle that is repeated after every fourth power. Units digit 2. The digit 2 repeats after every fourth power. That is, 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. 2 to the power of 4 equals 6. And 2 to the power of 5 equals 2, and so on. Thus, the pattern is 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, and so on. Units digit 3. The digit 3 repeats after every fourth power. That is, 3 to the power of 1 equals 3. 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. 3 to the power of 3 equals 7. 3 to the power of 4 equals 1, and 3 to the power of 5 equals 3, and so on. Thus, the pattern is 3, 9, 7, 1, 3, 9, 7, 1. Units digit 7. The digit 7 repeats after every fourth power. That is, 7 to the power of 1 equals 7. 7 to the power of 2 equals 9. 7 to the power of 3 equals 3. 7 to the power of 4 equals 1, and 7 to the power of 5 equals 7, and so on. Thus, the pattern is 7, 9, 3, 1, 7, 9, 3, 1. We will look up at the digits that remain the same for every power. Units digit 5. The digit 5 remains the same for every power. That is, 5 to the power of 1 equals 5. 5 to the power of 2 equals 5. And 5 to the power of 3 equals 5, and so on. Thus, the units digit of the powers remains 5. We are required to find the units digit of 2 to the power of 19 times 3 to the power of 21 times 5 to the power of 15 times 7 to the power of 7. We have a large number here, which would depend on the product of the units digit of each term separately. So 2 to the power 19 times 3 to the power 21 times 5 to the power 15 times 7 to the power 7 can be written as 2 to the whole power of 4 times 4 plus 3 times whole of 3 to the whole power of 4 times 5 plus 1 times whole of 5 to the whole power of 4 times 3 plus 3 times whole of 7 to the whole power of 4 times 1 plus 3. Now, the units digit of this would be the same as that of 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 3 times 7 to the power of 3, which would be 8 times 3 times 5 times 3 equals 0. Thus, the units digit would be 0. However, we have a trick that would give you an answer immediately. Now, the term 2 to the power of 19 times 3 to the power of 21 times 5 to the power of 15 times 7 to the power of 7 has both 2 and 5, which when multiplied would surely give you a 0 in the units digit. Thus, 0 is the answer. Hence, C is the correct answer. There are a few tricks in this question. You should be able to see through them. Answer C.